Human body is a miracle. A whole human develops from a single tiny cell. The heart keeps beating automatically for life. The brain can think, learn, and remember using billions of neurons. The body can heal itself after injuries.
Unique and individual about every person, fingerprint, tooth, or ear. Fingerprint. Fingerprint is an undeniable and distinctive identity marker for each and every person on the planet Earth. Which bone provides protection to the delicate brain, skull, hand, or leg? Skull. The skull serves as a protective shield for the brain and effectively safeguards it from harm. Which body part is responsible for supporting body weight and assisting in walking? Foot, hand, or nose? Foot. The foot propels you forward during walking and supports the weight of your body. Which organ is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body and maintaining proper circulation? Heart, lung, or brain? Heart. The heart pumps blood to every part of the body, ensuring proper circulation. Which organ is responsible for controlling thinking, memory, and thought processes? Foot, brain, or hand? Brain. The brain manages thinking, memory, and cognitive functions, as well as performing body actions. Which organ generates the sense of smell and helps the body breathe? Eye, nose, or finger? Nose. The nose perceives the smell of food and regulates the breathing process. Which body part is responsible for tasting food and enjoying flavors? Tongue, foot, or skull? Tongue. The tongue aids in tasting food and is essential for speaking clearly. Which body part aids in chewing food and assisting with speech? Teeth, eye, or ear? Teeth. Teeth facilitate chewing and help you articulate your thoughts. Which body part supports speaking and consuming food? Lips and mouth, fingerprint, or knee? Lips and mouth. They enable both speaking and consuming food naturally. Which body part is responsible for producing sound and voice? Throat, eye, or tooth? Throat. The throat enables the production of sound and voice. Which organ is necessary for breathing and taking in oxygen? Lungs, skull, or tooth? Lungs. The lungs are responsible for capturing oxygen from the air and exhaling carbon dioxide.